Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for coming to our presentation. Here I am as a moderator. Today our group will presentation a topic entitled Wi-Fi coin a case-based internet access system. The presentation will be divided into 5 parts. First, introduction and background. So the second is the concept of Wi-Fi coin, how the system works, advance and challenge, and of course, conclusion. Okay, now let us start the presentation with our presenter, which is this is me. So let me introduce myself. My name is Angulandari. I will explain the introduction and background of our topic. Today we will talk about Wi-Fi coin, a system that allows people to access the internet using coin. This topic is important because not everyone in Indonesia has access to banking service. Based on data from Bank Indonesia, there are 51% of adults do not have full access of banking service. So many people still rely on cash for daily payment. At the same time, internet access is becoming more important, even in rural areas. Because of this situation, Wi-Fi coin was created as a simple solution to help people access the internet using cash. Okay, next, the second presenter will explain the concept of Wi-Fi coin and IoT component.
Okay, thank you, Wulan. Hello, my name is Isandelina Veronique Dogopia. I will talk about the concept of Wi-Fi coin and IoT components used in Wi-Fi coins. Wi-Fi coins is a cache beside internet system. User insert coins into machine to get internet access for a certain time. The system is similar to prepaid electricity tokens or coin-operated public phones. The main goals of Wi-Fi coins is to make internet access easy and affordable. Users do not need bank account, credit card, or digital wallets. This makes Wi-Fi coins sustainable for people who are not familiar with digital payment system. The Wi-Fi coin system contains of several main components: a coin-operated kiosk, a wireless access point, and authentication and web portal system, and a back server, all of which are supported by an internet connection infrastructure. Now, the next is my friend Sanggito. We'll continue with the explanation of how the system works.
Thank you, Andal. Hi everyone, my name is Anggito Pagaskoro. Now I will explain how the Wi-Fi coin system works. First, users come to a Wi-Fi coin machine and insert coin based on the internet time they want. After that, the machine gives a voucher with login information. Users connect their device to the client Wi-Fi network. The browser will open the client web portal automatically. New users need to register and enter the voucher code. The voucher has a time limit such as several hours or 1 day. Users can check their remaining time after logging in. If the time is finished, user can buy a new voucher to continue using the internet. Next, we will discuss the advantage and challenges of Wi-Fi coin.
Okay, thank you, Anggito. Everyone, my name is Rizwandi Dwi Priandara. I will discuss the advantage and disadvantage of Wi-Fi coin. Wi-Fi coin has several advantages. First, it's very easy to use. People can pay with cash without complicated step. Second, it helps people who do not have bank account to access the internet. For service provider, the prepaid system is safer because there is no unpaid bill. However, Wi-Fi coin also has challenges. The machine need regular maintenance and can be damaged easily. There are also security risks because it uses public Wi-Fi. Another challenge is competition with cheap mobile data pack. In addition, people are now moving toward cashless payment. Finally, I will pass the presentation to the last presenter for the conclusion.
Thank you, Riswa. Hi, my name is Fajir Lewan. I will conclude our presentation. To conclude, Vivi Coin is a simple technology that first local needs. It helps people access internet using cash, especially those without banking access. Even though modern internet technology is growing fast, Vivi Coin still has an important role. In the future, Vivicoin needs to adapt to digital payment trend while keeping it simply. Thank you for attention.
Okay, thank you, Fajar, and thank you to all the presenter for the explanation that bring us to the end of our presentation about Wi-Fi coin. We hope that our presentation help you guys understand how Wi-Fi coin works and what this is important for digital inclusion in Indonesia. Thank you for watching our presentation. Have a nice day and goodbye.